Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y33s, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. Firstly, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now you need to type in iOS Launcher and download this free app from this developer. Following that, just open. Now wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, choose while using the app and allow. Then click Home button and go into Device Settings. From here you need to scroll down, choose Absence Notifications, scroll down again, tap on Default Apps and select Home app. Now click on iOS Launcher 1, and as you can see, after clicking Got it, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to go back into the Android launcher, you need to go into the same settings and tap on Quick Step. You can switch between them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!